If object position is fixed, the mirror is rotated with an angle theta. What is the angle rotated by the image? If two plane mirrors are inclined with an angle theta, two plane mirrors inclined at an angle theta, then the number of images are formed along with a circular path. The number of images formed by the two inclined mirrors is 360 by theta, and the number of images can be observed so on the circular path with an angle alpha plus 2 beta, beta plus 2 alpha. Hello students, this is Yadagiri Gaud, physics educator. Today I am going to explain the effect of rotation of plane mirror on image. So when a plane mirror is taken, so this is the plane mirror. So it's what plane mirror position is this. This is the object position. Object is at a distance is d from the plane mirror. This distance is d. So if this is the object position is taken, this is fixed. If this mirror is rotated with an angle theta, this is the angle theta in what direction? Clockwise direction. Okay, so first initially when this plane mirror is here, it's a normal drawn to the surface is this object also along with the same position. The image will be at the same distance d opposite direction. This is the distance d. When mirror is rotated, so from here to here, which makes an angle theta, the normal is rotated with an angle. So theta in the normal, it's a n dash. So now it's a n dash. Now the image position is I. I is rotated in the same direction, in the clockwise direction, so to this position. So if you say this is that extended point, this makes an angle theta with the normal, and it gets reflected with an angle is what? Theta and theta. This angle must be 2 theta. When a mirror rotates an angle theta, the image position rotates by an angle 2 theta in the same direction. When two plane mirrors are inclined with an angle theta, this is the angle between these two. That's what theta. So if the object position is somewhere in between these two, it is either symmetrically divided or asymmetrically. So this theta is equals to alpha plus beta. Alpha is angle made by this is with a mirror M2, beta angle made with mirror M1. So next image is formed on the positions of circular path. So these are the positions. These positions will be, so one is first image which makes an angle alpha. This is alpha with this one. So this one also alpha. So next one is what? It's a alpha plus 2 beta. So next other side for the due to M1, it's a I2. So this is I2 is what? It's a beta, and next one is beta plus 2 alpha. So the basic principle is the image formed due to one mirror acts as an object to another mirror. One thing we need to remember, so the images will be formed here. The angle should not be greater than 180 degrees. It should be less than or is equal to 180 degrees. The number of images formed by two inclined mirrors is basic formula is if 360 by theta, theta is in degrees. So if you get even number, for example 12 minus 1, number of images will be what? 360 by theta minus 1. If 360 by theta is odd number, number of images are formed here 360 by theta. So if 360 by theta, if you get it a fraction, that would be converted into the decimal places. For example, 6.2 or 11.9, like. So this indicates number of images, because 6 images can be formed, or 7 images can be formed, or 6.2 images cannot be formed. So this is the number of images are formed here is what is a 6. The number of images, this is what first mirror is taken M1 and M2 with the best example we have been. So just we are continuing with this one. So it's what? It makes an angle 10 degrees. This is 20 degrees. So with the mirror M1, so the line joining from the object to the point of inclination, it makes 10 degrees. Next one is it's a 30 degrees. As we discussed, the images are formed on the circular path, okay, as shown in the picture. That's what one is alpha, next one is alpha plus 2 beta, next one, this the second side is what? Its angle, this is what alpha, this one is beta. So it's what beta, this is what beta plus 2 alpha, like continuously it will be continued. But the angle should not be greater than 180 degrees. So because when it 180 means what, it will undergoes into the overlapping situations. So first one I'm choosing about this is what? How do you get the number of images? Just with a simple trick. So image formed by mirror M1, image formed by mirror M2. So first one is what? It's a 10, next one is 20, this is 10, so it's a 20. 10, so this is what? M1. With the M1 angle made is 10 degrees. With the M2 angle made with the line joining is what? It's a 20 degrees. The total angle between these two is what? It's a 30 degrees. Total theta is equals to 10 plus 20. So this is, it's a 30 degrees. So now first one is that this is like a crisscross method. So 10, here is a 10, next one is 30, 10 plus 30, it's a 40 degrees. 20 plus 30, it's a 50 degrees. Again will goes to crisscross method. So this is, it's the same, angle is 30 degrees. So it's a 40 plus 30, this is 70 degrees. And next one, 50 plus 30, it's a 80 degrees. Again this will be continued. So it's a, this angle is 30 degrees. 80 plus 30, 110 degrees. So 70 plus 30, 100 degrees. Next will be, so it's a continuation. So like this is 30 degrees. 100 plus 30, 130 degrees. 110 plus 30, 140 degrees. Again, so this will be continued till, so 130 plus 30, 160 degrees. 140 plus 30, 170 degrees. 170 plus 30, so it's what? 170 plus 30, 200, which is more than 180 degrees. So we need to stop. 160 plus 30, 190, which is more than 180 degrees. We need to stop it. So from this here, 170 plus 30 plus 160, if we add these three, 170 plus 30, 200, 200 plus 160, 260. So 170 plus 30 plus 160 is equals to 360. Whenever this angle is 360, they will be overlapped. So the two images will form as a one image. So now here I am making as, this is 170. So 170 plus 30 plus 160 is equals to 360. So the images are overlapped. So these are overlapped to become as a 1. Now count the number of images. So actually, how do you calculate the number of images? So number of images, this 360 by theta. It's a 360 by theta. So 360 by theta is, this is 360 by 30, which is equals to, it's a 12. 12 is a even number. Then number of images is equals to 12 minus 1. It's a 11 is the answer. So where is 11 means what? 2 are overlapped. 170 plus 30 plus 160. These two images are overlapped. So how many images are formed? Let us check this one. Due to this is first mirror and second mirror, it's a so 10 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, these two are become as a 1. It's a 11 number of images.